Jordan 1 MC's game Royal extends Jordan Brand's reach from the hardwood to the diamond, showing how an icon continues to evolve. Originally introduced in 1985 as a basketball sneaker, the AJ1 now adapts to baseball with a studded outsole designed for traction on the field, replacing Peter Moore's classic pattern. Bright game Royal overlays pop against black and white panels, merging heritage style with performance utility. Retailing at $150, this edition arrives in October via Nike.com. Jordan, targeting both athletes seeking durability and fans drawn to its cultural crossover appeal. Following releases like the Chicago and Bred Toe Cleats, this colorway emphasizes Jordan's push into new territory while preserving its legendary identity. More than just footwear, the AJ1 MCs reflects how timeless design can seamlessly bridge sports, eras, and communities, ensuring its influence remains unshakable across generations.